it's great to meet the extras and help make some movie magic. And if you guys like that little bit of action, hold on tight. There's a whole lot more coming up real soon. Now, the title of today's film is called Inner City Rush. It's where a boy from the country must come to the city to win a $1 million race to help save his family farm. Now, before our director Morgan Ross arrives, we have a few shots to get underway and extras. Today is your lucky day because we're casting for 3 extras to become our 3 leading actors. Let's get straight into it. Firstly, we're casting for our leading man, Jack. So hands up, fellas. Who wants to be our leading man, Jack? Let's see who we've got. Might come down here. Oh, I think I might have found him. Yes, you sir. Come on down. Let's give him a nice big round of applause, everyone. Come on down. G'day, mate. What's your name? Lee. Where are you from, Lee? From Perth. Anyone from Perth? 4 people. Great. Head on down there to Rich, mate. He's going to get you set up for your scene. All right, now we're casting for our leader, Lady Michelle. She's last year's winner. So hands up, ladies. Who wants to be Michelle? Let's go to the VIP section. Yes, you man. Come on down. Let's give her a nice big round of applause, everyone. We'll be playing our leader, Lady Michelle. I'll grab the rope for you. Hello, what's your name? Sarah. Where are you from, Sarah? From Melbourne. Anyone from Melbourne? Sarah, do you follow the AFL? You don't follow the AFL? Alright, good work. Okay. Head on down there to Pete, he's going to get you set up. Alright fellas, we're looking for our bad boy Tyler. So who wants to be a bad boy here today? Old enough to drive a car. Let's have a look. Oh, I think I might have found him. You sir in the black singlet. Come on down with the Reebok shirt. Let's give him a nice big round of applause, everyone! Looks every part the bad boy. And he's going the long way around. That's alright. Come on over. So you're playing our villain Tyler. He absolutely despises Jack and he wants to beat him. G'day mate, what's your name? Your name's Jack. Oh, geez, that's great. Alright. Where are you from, Jack? From Melbourne. Alright. Do you follow the AFL? Okay, here we go. Who do you go for, Jack? Collingwood. Have a seat for me, Jack. I'm joking. He can't be Collingwood. He's got a full set of teeth. So, head on down there for me, mate, to Pete. He's going to get you set up. All right, extras, we have not forgotten about you. You guys are playing the crowd of the Inner City 500. So, whenever and car's about to hit you and you're smiling. You're not going to get workers' comp here. All right, here we go. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, action! And count, let's go up for Jack, everybody! Fantastic work. All right, let's head over for shot number 2 with the fabulous Michelle. Great job, let's give it up for Michelle, everybody! Alright, you're playing our evil villain Tyler, okay? So on action, we're going to zoom in on your face. I need you to drive like crazy and give us the most evil maniac laugh you can do. Think you can do that? Alright, here we go. And action! Evil laugh. And cut, great job, let's give it up for Tyler, everyone! Fantastic work. Okay, we now have only 2 shots left, so let's split the stadium into 2. Let's do everybody on this side of the stadium. When I say action, I need you guys to scream as loud as you can and throw your hands up in the air, okay? So here we go, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, action! And cut. Fantastic job. Okay, now everybody down this side, you guys have to do the exact same thing, but you must be 10 times louder and crazier than that side of the stadium. So here we go, extras. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, action! And cut. Fantastic job. We have all of our shots, and our director Morgan Ross is ready. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Hollywood's biggest director, Morgan Ross!
smile off my face. Guys, do not try that at home with your own cars. Get a rental, right? You're gonna hate me. How we all doing? Movie world? We good? Great to hear, great to hear. AJ, good to see you, man.
You too, mate.
Sorry for being late. I was on the phone to Spielberg.
Steven Spielberg.
No, Ron Spielberg, my barber. I get the director's cut. You walked right into that.
I did.
Hey, bring me up to speed. What have I missed?
Okay, mate, we just shot our first unit with all the extras, and now we're on to the stunt team.
Fantastic. What's the first shot?
It's called Beat the Clock.
Beat the clock. All right, let's talk these guys through that. Let's get started.
Okay, this is called Beat the Clock. So Jack will race into the city and have to hit that red buzzer before time goes.
Right, he's got to register for a race, right?
That's it, mate.
Okay, great. So, extras. What's going to happen? We got a little scene happening right down here, and then you're going to see Jack burning around the set. He's got to make it over to that big red buzzer before the timer goes off. If he does that, I want you guys to make some noise. Can we do that? You guys are good to go. We got set locked down?
Yes, woman, set's locked down and ready.
Perfect. AJ, cameras.
Rolling.
Sound.
Speed.
Here we go, extras, and action.
Get out of the vehicle and put your hands in the air. Not you, deputy. Now, where are you going in such a hurry, boy? My, the inner city 500. Well, not today, you ain't. Turn around. Put your hands on the car. Not you, deputy.
Get moving, racers. Entrance are about to close.
Deputy, he's getting away.
That's the new guy, that's Pete Murphy.
Pete Murphy. Pete Murphy, everybody, our stunt guy. Oh! Pete? You okay? Over here. Behind you. Over here. You're okay? Okay, good. Great work, man. We're going to clear the set, so straight out the back, okay? Quick! That's a wall. Hey, AJ, tell me, we got all the shots we need?
Yeah, mate, it's looking fantastic. These boys haven't rehearsed in those stunts for days. You got some great shots.
Awesome. Great. And what's next?
Your favourite, Welcome to the City.
Welcome to the city. All righty, guys. This is my favorite. It's where we're going to see Jack and Tyler meet on the street for the first time. With a rivalry.
Sorry, mate, I don't want to interrupt, but you can't give too much away because I want to see some honest reactions and that big. You know,
I know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
All right. Sit tight, guys. We'll be with you in a second. Oh, man. Joel, that was perfect, dude. Take yourself a break. We got your stunt double. Bring them out. Rich Lund, everybody. Make some noise for Rich. Awesome. Oh, hey, Rich. Sorry, man. I've changed my mind. I don't want you coming in on the U. What you're going to do, you're going to go out the back. You're going to grab the biggest, baddest thing we got. We're going to roll with that for your entrance. You know what I'm talking about? All right, let's have some fun with this next shot. Extras, stand by. AJ, cameras. Rolling. Sound. Speed. Here we go, guys. And action. All right, Rich. Biggest and baddest. Bring it out. Rich, you look like a giant on that thing.
Hit the road, fart boy. You don't belong here.
That's all right. You're gonna go back to the house. Hey, I need your help, okay? Can you move it for me?
No, thank you.
Yeah, that is gonna be hot. Hey, when I said move it, I meant the quad bike. Yeah. You can do that? You're not sure? Okay, I'll talk you through it. Jump on it. It should be running. So. Okay. Yeah, you just try to be more consistent with the throttle. Careful. Okay. Off the back. Ladies and gentlemen, P. Murphy! All right, how we doing?
Yeah, Morgan, guess what?
What?
We put everything together.
First, he must survive the city. Comes a movie like no other.
Drivers, start your engines.
All right, give it up for Teacher Extras. There you go, you guys are great. Thanks for helping out. Listen, that's great, but it needs more action.
Okay?
What can we do? What can we film?
Well, we were going to shoot the big race tomorrow, but we can push it forward now and do it right now if you want.
Yeah, I think so. You guys want to see one more epic race? Let's set it up now, get it done.
All right, this is called the big race. We'll have both drivers start at the start finish line and complete 3 laps around the set.
That's right.
All right.
First man across that finish line is going to walk away with $1 million. So a lot riding on this.
Beautiful. Let's have some teams, shall we?
Great idea, AJ.
Alrighty, everybody on this side of the stadium, you guys go for Tyler in the blue and black utes. When he takes the lead, you need to be louder than that side of the stadium. Can you guys do that for me? Good work.
Awesome, great job, City team. Okay, country team, we're up. We are going to be supporting Jack. Jack is in the red ute. So folks, if we see Jack take the lead, I want you guys to go absolutely crazy, make lots of noise, throw your kids in the air, throw other people's kids in the air. Let's have some fun with it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. We're all ready to go. Extras, look it up the big screen. Countdown with